Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is 13 power n plus 1 equals negative 26. We are solving for the value of n that satisfies this equation. So if you have a power x plus y, this equals a power x times a power y. So we apply this right here. This is 13 power n times 13 power 1 equals negative 26. So let's divide this by 13. We divide this by 13. 13 eliminates 13. We have 13 power n equals negative 26 divided by 13. We have negative 2. So we solve for n. Let's apply natural log. I have natural log of 13 power n equals natural log of negative 2. So from here, remember, if you have natural log of a power p, this equals p times natural log of a. So this is n times natural log of 13 equals natural log of negative 2. So from here, I can have n times natural log of 13 equals natural log of this negative 2 here. Can have it as negative 1 times 2. Now from here, we apply this property. If you have natural log of a times b, this equals natural log of a plus natural log of b. So from here, we have n times natural log of 13 equals natural log of negative 1 plus natural log of 2. So from here, what we are going to do will be to consider this identity. If you have e to the power of I times pi plus 1, this equals 0. From here, we have e to the power of I times pi equals negative 1. So this negative 1 here, we are going to replace it with this. So we have n times natural log of 13 equals natural log of e to the power of I times pi plus natural log of 2. And remember, if you have natural log of a power p, this equals b times natural log of a. So this comes behind this. So we have n times natural log of 13 equals I times pi times natural log of b plus natural log of 2. So from here, this cancels this. I have n times natural log of 13 equals I times pi plus natural log of 2. And solving for n, I can isolate this, dividing this by natural log of 13, dividing this by natural log of 13. So what happens is this cancels this, and I'm going to have n equals I times pi plus natural log of 2 divided by natural log of 13. So from here, I can have n equals I times pi divided by natural log of 13 plus natural log of 2 divided by natural log of 13. And now remember, if you have natural log of a divided by natural log of b, this equals natural log of a to the base of b. So applying that here, we have n equals I times pi divided by natural log of 13 plus natural log of 2 to the base of 13. So that's one way of solving it. Now let's solve this using another method entirely. So the question remains the same. We have 13 power n plus 1 equals negative 26. Now remember, a power n plus m equals a power n times a power m. So applying that here, we have 13 power n times 13 power 1 equals negative 26. So we divide this by 13. We divide this by 13. Let's cancel this. We have 13 power n equals negative 26 divided by 13. That is negative 2. We then apply natural log. I have natural log of 13 power n equals natural log of negative 2. From here, I have natural log of 13 power n equals natural log of this is negative 1 times 2. And if you have natural log of a power b equals b times natural log of a. And also, natural log of a times b equals natural log of a plus natural log of b. Applying this right here, we have n times natural log of 13 equals, for this we have natural log of negative 1 plus natural log of 2. And let's consider this identity. If you have square root of negative 1 equals I, if you take the squares, this cancel this, that is negative 1 equals I power 2. And there's negative 1 here. We are going to represent it with I power 2. We have n times natural log of 13 equals natural log of I power 2 plus natural log of 2. So from here, we have n times natural log of 13 equals natural log of I power 2 will be 2 times natural log of I. Remember, natural log of a power b is b times natural log of a. Then this is plus natural log of 2. So from here, I can isolate n by dividing this by natural log of 13. I divide this by natural log of 30. This cancel this. So from here, I have n equals 2 times natural log of I plus natural log of 2 divided by natural log of 13. So from here, I can have n equals 2 times natural log of I divided by natural log of 13 plus natural log of 2 divided by natural log of 13. So remember that natural log of a divided by natural log of b equals natural log of a to the base of b. So from here, I have n equals 2 times natural log of I divided by natural log of 13 plus natural log of 2 to the base of 3. So this also is our answer based on this identity. So we have, in this part, we have 2 times natural log of I right here. While using this other method, what we had here is I times pi. This equals I times pi. So both solutions are the same, depending on the method that you choose to use. So guys, this is it. This is how you solve this exponential problem step by step. And I believe you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you and goodbye.